Subject media said I can see empire sakena no pensuja meeting Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace a good year catch back the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and the same kunya elkono quantum coordinates model sakena no pensubu e Ghana good year ejao catch busuan for number 4 oyere uma o fase for na mukrumu and on plan for na se Wallace nyaba ye dia we can see empire sakan 8 ejao and na no person start today now spice na kama dia Richuku Ghana kuku papa and dia Richuku modern da se on sabiti ka Richuku no ebo no eda fam kolamiti ura ba bia na sabe shopping e ama Richuku emmo woni ma betian samboa emmo etian start today right so modern da se betian go ahead no enjoy Richuku no start today right we Ghanaian way and ye di ho dance e dia ma no ye kanana game park limited phone paying for the shishasun kwetian saba we chacha foforo kra no so de shishasun kwetian saba was that me ke betian boa ema niama etian tutu ye dia ma modern da se oni game park phone paying for betian se din so betian hwe aboa emaniama etia tutu ye ma ne ni kan game park no se ye ma daily draw no e wo Adom TV so 9 am 12 pm and after 6 pm ni na e wo Adom TV so modern da so betia pick phone or tablet or computer no and after download a game park no so wo set me kan game park na no wetia sen play betia saboa ema wetimi enya samula ye ka cash ga kudia won sa betimi akabi chale ye na enfa honyim na ye make samula ana cash e wo san share so kumi se obi ani ho a ne also no ebiti ye also e Ghana ha anything so game park limited ye share so kwa dia bai na odi ho agibe ka game park games a na wakase more mula more power wo na hwe anim se kwa bia so no o metia boa mo asesa o sikasem na onso ayo defo efisa abiriakom we regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afa suni mu firi ngotwe fa wonyim ana afa otua na odi adwene kakra etian saton a game park limited wo mo ana etechira boa emena no penso ye dia wo kensi won sempa saka 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step Piensha CMFF Women's World Cup results Saudi 27 pm Japan for Spain etwon 4-0 ewa kensi na fe Costa Rica enso transe ema Zambia e bitwa na kamien so te Canada enso transe ema eye Australia matches no 8 years out of be mechere Women's World Cup ne matches a would be 10 no Portugal and the US of A ne be share Canada for Vietnam and the Netherlands and as Holland for Emma and a be share China beton consider for England na for Haiti one any Denmark and they can see everything about into way a Women's World Cup and also 8 years out of Hunsun so kakra no and ye di eja yentin to Ghana nkomu dia na as a minister for youth and sports honorable Yusuf Mustafa and so a catch National Sports Authority for service abri kono omun create environment be Sambwa na support edema football games no etimi akoso pa esanse recently bubu na ni hwese na nemasi kwa otimi sampa musical concert etimi twedom ebegu stadium ho sense football etimi etwedom ebegu eye stadium ho enti we nhihye so kokom gidi pa se omutimi eto omo niam amoye ne mu nkyene a ebeti aboa ema nipa dom dodo na abodom pem ewe sports stadium.
The National Sports Authority, entrusted with the care of our stadiums, I urge you to transform these venues into more than the mere arenas for watching games. Let us create family-friendly spaces where parents can bring their families and children to engage in sports that we all love, and also leisure activities. Safety must be a paramount, and the stadium experience should be perceived as an exciting place for everyone. Premier League clubs, in your pursuit of attracting fans, consider innovative marketing strategy that resonates with the young generation. Engaging the community and giving back through corporate social responsibility initiative can foster deeper connection with fans. To Ghana Football Association, the organizers of the league strive for fair and attractive competition that fans can be proud of. We must be conscious of global competition from the top league like the English Premier League and avoid features clashes, taking into consideration our account of our climate and work schedule. We should aim to match time that are convenient and enjoyable to our football fans.
Nti Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa anatene kanse odene komo 8 Gemina UFM for the Badwam pim na muton sane first stakeholders no mo bese kwa betia faso ama ya group maso abomase be no ana ono so edene komo 8 kuja wo san hyehyɛ so kunase na efe ni nkyirem e wonkrafo fom dia na ensuratamafo mu coach fense maso okrodu enkan no si akan ma Nkuranza Warriors papa yi ebo sa abre no empese usi akan ma Blasters nso na sentim kukuchi Legon City na wohwese ne mesi kwa body ebre kokwa na ne dian sesa ne babu na ketim de ne ache ensuratamafo akache woni falidi ehwetwen komo no kyerese na sentem national teams a asie ko tournament na anwe ne se no ogiri passe ade a ehadwene na ese omutimi penipu masibre
emi hu ni se transition no a Ghana form no I was say inya abotre kakra because countries no be are facing these things. But it's unfortunate say you know cut across the various levels of the national teams. You know. Yeah, the phase of transition in Ghana air form, but I believe say I think it will be stabilized now from the youth. You know, we start picking we should do the right things at the basic level. So the from there, no. But I'm fixing as year fundamentals it will be difficult to achieve.
There should be a problem because say now udi kan no say see what baby there are stages in life say nyoma enkoyi but I'm saying say entimi ensha say and manasa there should be a problem bibinti and ama nyoma ekofem
the problem na maka say one say transition no one managing year it's emergency mo in fan Black Stars for example ebia agba twema samoja mo sulemo hwan na mo bo na omo twam no mo ebe replace wo mo no ya na say na transition no say transition there every day ntokwa ne abufu ne watimi wakame na namo one hunu ni management na one managing year and making sure say transition not take place successfully. It will create problems for the various national teams. And you know, the fixed fundamentals na near who said this group there or more core ya share of mikura we should still keep them maybe from 17 and keep a group na 1 or 2 being education man do 20 from there 1 or 2 being education man call 23 na sa but most of the time yana youth levels no there normally no you concentrating more on what we have here locally. I think say yana eboa okay the foreigners na by youth level now 1 maximum 2 bi anka o mabeboa na youth level no so no ye ni na professionals na ma the development is slow.
Newly appointed coach Edema Ensuratamafo Maso Okrodu ana atene kanse o church ni international teams na sentem na anwene se no gidi pass ese etime penepuma sebrentem pass na eboa ema Ghana F fa ne tamapa efra yemra Ghana Premier League bibia metwema 2023-2024 de na nche bia betimi ahyase na nura ana Ghana Football Association twenty friends GFA omo release a list no na hwemu ne se na hyane city de a na se kick off no ebeba so the weekend of Friday September 15th enkopem Monday September 18th no and the matches no ebetia abobo so across the length and breadth of the country na haso folk beton said afa Kumase Asante Kodoko na sa kensin ebe week 14 omo first leg encounter the Ghana's El Clasico no eho and ebetia satudwa meanwhile okay kwani chimhesa na ma Asia koso dia na say champions Mediama Sporting Club so wom so ebe hyase defend omo title no against Accra Lions in Kranjata and omo dia kensin ebetia asabo so na day 1 say na fixtures na ACTA ewonom na oba wikuana mediama ene Accra Lions na Legon City ene Karela United Real Tamale United beton sida frɛ Accra Hassophobia never see that ashedu keteknanom nkran chese bia weekend omo sa ebetin aka eye coach bi afen Strataman FC a appointed Maso Kronodom ni be Chief United Ghana's Dangote Agama team ana omo ebehia na afen Samates 1996 omo ne Aduana Stars FC na Adom Ahene team omo Edberton Tams na afen Deans Football Club FA President team omo ne Nations Football Club Dr. Kwame Chi ana Edebeboss na afen Kumase Krobia Asante Kodokwa IMC ne kitem no so any Heart of Lions, the Pride of Igbe, the Boboleji Boys, and a Ebishia can have a Great Olympics, Uli Bobu, Uli Mashi, Uli Conson, Uli Puto, Uli Julie Ju, Uli Rosalenda, Uli Akapo Kobe, Uli Kumbagia, Womo and a ne Tanabo Fakwe, Skitu Ipibrim, and so Edebe Pemson, Afibricum Chelsea, and it be any Ghost Stars, and so Eddie Atten Thompson to we, and a matches outdoor, and also Ebitian PM in the first week. But General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association, Prosper Harris Nado, many for what the Inchichim Kakraso, Eja Efa Festesa, Umrizi home. Association Prosper Arsenado, Manifo, and alternate cancer of Dinchichimu, 8 PM for Fishes and Ra, and Ajo, the Sum, Umrizi, Edema Kana Funa, and any Adom TV, Eddie Abro Sebia, Bunsen and Yama, AC Echo home. But in other stories, no, when Ichima, Kumasa can find a phone paying for Sakupimo Casa. Omo etwem nkomo bi hu dabre pa nanwada unqualified player omo ne Tamale City akensi no omo etwem wo discipline committee ekwa appeals committee nyama ntimintin time ken fighter for say enu kwan so relegation ti fixtures here di to dwai na ken say ken fighter omo etimi ewom na enu akas fo paying for so etwen san respond na obeka say enu nti ana league beba so September ton no FA president enne nkofo omo ede fixtures na bantem pa so bibia mitwem na yekọ kas won so na Ashanti Go Football Club fon so case a omo ni talents enyae no and also hon every 13 saba place makuma kubese 27 cast for paying for some who soon saprobe and no credit that says our place omobo matcha ye manipulate e wo Ghana ha na san komoyi ana ye Thomas Dua one na ye coach enso etmetwen komisa say ne ya ye sign mananti ho say enyade a wo mo mfumso bia o coach no sanye bia no wo mfumso bi e san hihye mu ana ne nkoma ono so edija ne say wesen ne masi koso a saadi abe afeti omo pa empukra no afifo no kran so esanem enam timoden kwan so ene as good didi no nyonyo esan so mo player ba ko efense ya no omo ton no kopia buchiri sika kra ba no omo ka che club a odi sika ne ban so fan ko esan say as good enya dia exist e wo Ghana football
disappointed
Efi na disappoint mo on
disappointed papa
is about to cry offense as go moon to be
maybe not there crowd almost so private because no man o share to the cry on the as go to fast with me and grana and then I want to ask you ya wa no sika cry ba cry say man ma Egypt for them fa for no fa you know then here for common level before it's more it's more too much
mo ya no ko e na chi no ni sika na kese as good ye no so
you say secretary na say as good oku enti sika no mo fan ko back ya no amata I would be some see no no I would be some see no no mo fan ko back
The Thomas Dua coach at the Ashanti Gold Football Club, the de facto Ashanti Gold Football Club no and other revelations we 18 ejai na edibisia na yada wasenya me adom ebeto ankomo no so Game Park Limited phone paying for at the Game Park na ba modern other so the who between San Jim so nobody beats our us in Ghana into be modern other utwebia obetwe din be full Game Park games no or say more mula more power omo regulated by the National Lottery Authority and omo Edison Shelson Queen Etiaba after Richoko makacho that so person start with right unya a spicy day dia na a richoko bomodin da say obetimi di bia bo team pampa na watimi enya adwuma pa e wo dwumadia oguso edimu richoko no ebo ne da fempa ura ba bia na say wo ye shopping ma richoko emmo niamam eno pa ho bomodin da say di bia obenu richoko na start with day right Ghanaian way and yedi wa dance dem richoko boso bruta we mo any sponsors ni mo etuturu ne twetwe na no penso mo ta chiri boa e ma e dia wo kensi wo sempa e saka timi jawo within the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and I'm of course evidence based presentation timi jawo the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.